Because negativity bias is not a mood. It is a survival law. And today we expose 5 laws controlling it. Law 1. Threat outweighs opportunity. 1 small risk, 10 imagined disasters. You freeze while life moves. Law 2. Failure echoes louder than progress. 1 mistake, it drowns 10 wins. Momentum collapses silently. Law 3. Pain imprints deeper than pleasure. Your brain stores humiliation, deletes quiet victories. Confidence erodes from memory. Law 4. Uncertainty feels like danger. New path, alarm bells. You retreat to mediocrity. Law 5. Negativity predicts safety, not success. It promises protection. It delivers paralysis. Your future shrinks to comfort.